Hey there, welcome back to Duo Tutor. I am Neo, and in this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best Blender tips for modeling. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, these tips will help you to work more efficiently and create better models. The first tip is to use a reference image. One of the most important things when creating a model is to have a good reference image. And this will help you have a better and more clear idea of the shape and proportions of your object. You can easily add a reference image by going to Object Mode, clicking Add, then going to Image, and click Reference. From there, you'll be able to select from your files and add to your reference image. Tip number 2. Using the Xray button. The Xray button is a powerful tool that lets you see through your model. This is especially useful when working with complex models or when you need to see the inner parts of your object. You can enable the Xray mode by pressing Alt-Z or by going to the button on the top right that shows 2 squares with 1 in outlines. Number 3. Using the knife and extrusion tools. The knife and extrusion tools are 2 of the most powerful tools for modeling. The knife tool allows you to cut through your mesh and create new edges and faces. You can access this tool by going into Edit mode, then pressing K on your keyboard. After creating the model, you may want to delete adjacent vertices and faces. And to do so, go to the top left corner next to where you chose your mode and click on the box, which is the face button. Click any dots that highlight unwanted areas and press the delete button. Then press delete faces. The extrusion tool allows you to create new geometry by pulling out selected vertices, edges, or faces. You can access this tool by pressing E on your keyboard. Tip number 4 is using Boolean Subtraction. The Boolean tool is a powerful tool that allows you to merge or subtract 2 meshes. This tool is especially useful when creating complex shapes or when you need to combine multiple objects into one. You can access this tool by going into the Modifiers section under Properties, which is the panel that has the wrench, and selecting Boolean. Afterwards, select an object and choose Intersect, Union, or Difference. When you're done, press the button next to the camera depicting an arrow facing down and click Apply. Tip number 5, our last tip, scaling with the XYZ axis. Scaling your model is an essential part of modeling, but sometimes it can be hard to get the exact scale you want. By using the scaling with the axis, you can easily scale your model along a specific axis. To do this, press the S button on your keyboard and then press X, Y, or Z to scale along the desired axis. And that's it. We hope these tips will help you create better models and work more efficiently in Blender. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a like and a comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.